What's up friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to pay Zelle using Santander. First step guys, download the app Santander mobile app banking on App Store and Play Store and log in your account. After that, when you log in your account, access to Zelle, quick links from account overview. You have this account overview friends, as you can see here on my screen. After that, all you have to do, enroll your US mobile number or email address and click on Zelle option here and enroll your email address and mobile number. After that, send money to other family or friends to you not interested. You have, and when you access to Zelle, you find this option, send and request and supply. You can send and request easily without any problems. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon guys. Just follow these 3 steps on the screen guys. As you can see here, you have 3 steps. Thanks again for watching.